Create Price List makes it easy to create and send individualized price lists to customers. The program generates a spreadsheet with customer prices that you can edit, save, and send. Just open the program, select the customer, select a range of inventory items, and then click the Load button to get item prices. Click the Save button to save the prices and program settings to a spreadsheet. The program uses the customer's IC price list selection, customer type, and contract pricing. Note that Create Price List is a Productivity Tools enterprise program. The Create Price List icon will appear only if you have an enterprise license for TaiRox productivity tools. Create Price List uses the same logic as the order entry program to determine item prices for a customer. It uses the customer price list code in the AR customer account record by default. However, you can specify a different price list. It lets you specify a range of items. It provides contract pricing that's available as of the start date that you enter. And it lets you open an existing list of items to refresh the prices. Let's have a look. The Create Price List icon appears under Accounts Receivable Tools on the Sage 300 desktop. To create a new customer price list, enter the number of the customer for whom you want to create a price list. Select the price list code. By default, the program will use the code in the AR customer record. Specify a start date for contract pricing. The program defaults to today's date. Specify a range of items for the price list, or skip the range fields to include all items on the selected price list that are active, sellable, and have a price, or that are priced by category or subject to contract pricing. You can select items by item number, structure code, category, account set code, default price list, or by a range of item optional field values. Choose whether to list prices for all units of measure or just for the stocking unit of measure. If necessary, click the Additional Criteria button to select items using different item record fields. Click the Load button to load the selected items and prices into the grid. Once the items are loaded, you can click the Item Number column heading to drill down to the IC item record, double-click within the grid to edit the information for any item, use the Insert key to add items to the bottom of the grid, or change the customer information at the top and click the Refresh button to load another customer's prices for the same list of items. The Refresh button lets you create price list templates for different item categories, open them when needed, then load the prices for any customer. You can click the Save button to save the pricing details to a spreadsheet, which you can then edit and format. The saved Excel spreadsheet has two tabs. The Items tab displays all of the items from the Create Price List grid. The Customer tab displays the criteria used to select the items and prices in the item list. That completes a quick look at Create Price List, a TaiRox Productivity Tools enterprise solution for Sage 300. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about productivity tools and other TaiRox products.